Let's see how to create an online flower shop in just 2 minutes and start selling today. First, log in to Zegashop.com and click the Start Free Trial button in the top right corner. Enter your email address, then your store name, and proceed to the next step. Fill in the following details: first name, last name, address, country, city, postal code, phone number, password, and confirm it. In the comment field, briefly describe the purpose of your website. Then click Enter Your Store. Wait a few moments while the system generates your online store. This is the admin dashboard of your website. You can view your initial website by clicking Visit My Store. To purchase a website design, go back to Zegashop.com and click Sign In. Enter the email address and password you used during registration. Next, click Themes and Plans, then select Append New Theme. Browse the available designs, choose the one you like, and open its details page. Click Try Theme to preview it in your admin panel. To activate the theme, click Pay for Activation, where you'll see the price. Choose Credit Card and fill in the required details: credit card information, first name and last name, address, phone number, city, and country. Click Confirm to complete the purchase. After payment, click Install Default Data under your selected theme to activate it. Follow the instructions, refresh your website, and view the final result. You can manage your website anytime through the admin panel by visiting yourwebsite.com/admin. To make your site live under your business name, you'll also need to connect a custom domain. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via live chat.